Okay guys, so today we'll be solving the problem reverse a doubly linked list on Geeks for Geeks. So the question says, given a doubly linked list of n elements, the task is to reverse the doubly linked list. Okay, so I think the question is pretty straightforward. So we're given a linked list like this, and we just need to reverse the linked list. So 5 should be the head, and it should point to 4, then 3, and that should be the output. So how can we solve it? So I think the easiest approach is just to loop through the linked list and just flip the values of next and prev for each element. So this prev will be 4. So mean none. So this is 5 and 3, and this is 4 and none. 4 and none. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, when we do it, and the head pointer will be at the 5, so because we loop through the linked list, so when it be and we'll just have to return the head pointer and we'll get the answer. So yeah, so how will we code this? I'll code it and show it to you guys. So here we're looping through the linked list, and we're converting the prev to next. But so one thing we'll have an issue is we can't go through the next loop. We can go, but we just have to add an extra space. So I won't do that. We can do it simultaneously by just doing a head and doing a head dot next over here. So all three functionalities will happen simultaneously, so we won't need any extra space on the problem. Okay, so yeah, so now we converted all the values and we're at the last stage now, and we just need to convert the last element, the prev and next of the linked list. So yeah, on running it. Yeah, and submitting it. Yeah, this is the correct answer. So yeah, we're just looping through so what we're doing is we're taking the head, we're checking if it has the next value, and if it's not, then we're going to do this. Okay, so yeah, so the first element will be head prev and head next. So the head prev and head next will be converted. Next was 4 and prev was none. Okay, so this will be flipped. Okay, and yeah, when it be flipped, the head will go to head dot next simultaneously. So on moving simultaneously, we go to 4. I will convert 4's prev and next. It will be 5 and 3, and we'll go to the next element of the linked list. So we'll go to 5. Okay, but now since 5 has none, so 5 dot next is none. Okay, so we won't go inside the loop. So we have to convert the last element of 5, which is head next and head prev. So the head next will be 4, which was the head prev, and the head prev will be none. So we're not converting 5 here because 5 will have the next value of 5 will have a none over here. That's why we have to convert it outside the loop. And when that's done, we can just return the head, and yeah, and you get your answer. So yeah, that's how you solve the problem.